Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at a very special pair of shoes. Now this pair has taken a long time to make, partially because it's made to measure from Meccariello. Part of the reason is because he himself actually made this pair. He and I have a great relationship, and we talk to each other on WhatsApp, and this is really something that I'm very excited about, and I've been looking forward to for a long time. So I think it was 2022, 2021 actually, when I ordered these, and just super excited. So this is a shoebox. You see, nice, kind of like a balsa wood. And here are the shoes. Now this is my first pair of shell cordovan from Antonio. And this is the first time I'm seeing it, so I'm seeing it right with you. And we kind of designed this color together. Really standard sole. Beautiful toe plates. Just a gorgeous shoe. Now I toyed between getting the Chisel 2 last on this and getting the Aurum soft square. So candidly, it's been so long I don't even remember where we landed, but this is just absolutely gorgeous. You can see I got a fingerprint on it already, but that's it's part of the fun. And let's take a look here. So a couple spare shoelaces, and Antonio does just a fantastic job with his shoes. They're just absolutely gorgeous. These trees are the first hinge trees I have from him. Now, when you get a made-to-measure or a bespoke shoe from him, he makes the trees, he cuts them down just like he does the shoe. So this is something that he spends a lot of time making right. And he had originally done a pair of three-piece trees, and he didn't like the way that they turned out. So he wanted to do something a little different. So they absolutely look fantastic. I love hinge trees. He always puts my name on the inside of the shoes for my Aurum line, which is beautiful and fun too. So again, this is cordovan. Now, what's different about cordovan from him is that he does the patina. So he basically starts off with a crust, and then he does the dyeing himself. So if you go into my stories, you'll see that I've got a number of work in progress pics from him on this pair in particular, and he has really sent some really cool stuff in as we go, and you can see here kind of how it all comes together. Now, just absolutely exquisite linings, exquisite leather. You can see the way he does the waist is so tight. Now you can, if you look carefully, you can kind of see he does this beautiful blind work there. He notches in on the waist to make it even narrower. And again, his skin stitching and just his centurions alone are just really fantastic. And if you take a look here at the stitch density, it's all just absolutely very tight. And he does a fantastic job. So everything I expected. I can't wait to get them on the hoof and take a look. Let me know what you think in the comments below.